going on? I got a new product that I want to try out today. I made a video last year sometime, I think, about putting furniture polish on the plastics to make them shine and stuff, and I saw this on Facebook, and one of the reasons why I got it is because it's made in the US, so I figured I'd give it a try and see how it does. I'm gonna wipe this thing down real quick and on some of the textured plastics and the tires and stuff. I'll throw them on there and see how it does. It's good so far. It's definitely shining up the texture plastics. I know it says to wipe it down, but I think I'm going to leave one section on there and just let it dry and see what that does, and then I'll take a section of it and wipe it down and see what that looks like. It looks good so far. It does look a lot better. Like the plastics have that shine in them. I mean, it's not like it was brand new. Obviously it's been used and dirt and everything on it. But when you wipe it in there, it holds the shine. And even out here in the sun, it's pretty. I mean, it's like 70 degrees out today, but even out here in the sun, it's not drying it out, and it's staying nice and polished and shiny. So we're good. I'm going to take a before and after picture of the back end and show everyone what it looks like after it's on there versus before. All right, I just got all of it done. Let me show you what this looks like. So it didn't go into every little nook and cranny in there, but I kind of did most of it, and it works really good. I mean, it's shiny, You know, I washed it a couple weeks ago after I got done riding, so it's still a little bit of dust and stuff on it, but it looks really good. I think this looks really good too, as far as on the inside. I mean, it's shiny. The only thing that I made a mistake doing that I would do differently is not use a cotton towel on it. I'd use a microfiber to wipe it down, because the cotton leaves just some of those little cotton strands on it. And check it out, it works really good. I'm happy with it. I used about 1 can for the entire side-by-side, so it's not too bad. I bought a 3-pack, so it'll last me at least a few more rides, but it looks really good. I'm happy with it. Let me know what you guys think.